Hello, Chef here with another video. I've got a special piece of beef here I wanted to share with you. This is a Black Angus bottom round roast. I'm going to be making an awesome French style country beef vegetable stew. Here's a few of the things that are going in my French stew. I got this 3 cloves of garlic here. I've got these carrots, large ones, small ones. Some are already cut up into bite-sized chunks. Which one's better? It's a quiz for you. The small one or the large one? I'm making stew, don't forget that. So this little one's going to shrivel away to nothing. This large one is going to be ideal for a nice stew. Sometimes you got to break it down a little bit more, but as long as you're using the right knives and the right blocks and the right procedures, it's very simple. All of these are somewhat uniform. That's what I'm looking for. Leeks. I've got 1 pound of leeks. I've got 2 pounds of carrots. I've got some mushrooms going in there. I'm going to put a few frozen peas. And we're going to put some potato wedges. I've got 4 Idaho potatoes in there. Of course, we're going to put salt, pepper, some thyme, some rosemary, some different herbs and things too. Okay, beef for stew. No need to get fancy. We're going to cut this into a large dice like this. Like I said in the previous video, when selecting beef, try to find the ideal marbling and the best piece you can find for your particular application. This one here is beautiful. Notice how easy my knife glides right through this piece of meat. This is what I'm looking for right here. Nice slices, and that's the marbling. Yeah, beautiful. Titanium Damascus knife. If you want to learn more about that, check out your sponsor. They got these Japanese knives in stock. They import them. Okay, for a French country style stew, that's the chunk I'm looking for. Here we go. Six-quart Dutch oven, medium heat. I've got right there 2 tablespoons of salad oil, canola oil to be specific. Check the meat. Oh yeah, nice and hot. That's what we're looking for. I'll be back. Once all the meat gets browned, I remove it from the Dutch oven and go on to the next step. That's the reduction. In another pot, I've got some beef bones simmering, making a quick beef stock here. Actually, this has been going for a few hours now. Give a little taste here. Wow. Needs salt and pepper. Okay, in the Dutch oven, we're starting with our garlic and our leeks. Let it cook. Leeks are cooking down, we add the carrots. I'll be back. Okay, once the vegetables start to cook down, we're going to deglaze with a little bit of rum. Always put your liquor in another vessel and keep that bottle away from the flames. I've got about 4 ounces of rum going in. I'm also adding some fresh thyme. Going to put just a few sprigs worth in there. Try to get it in without the stems for this recipe. Just like that. Another herb I like to put in this French country stew would be the cut rosemary. If you don't have it, check out your sponsor, they got it. About 2 tablespoons. Okay, at this point, we're looking really good. The meat goes back in. Adding the peas. Adding the mushrooms. At this point, I like to put my beef stock. I've got about 3 cups of very strong beef stock going in. And the potatoes. Potatoes are going to go right on top. Want to give this a stir. Oh yeah. And now we arrange the potatoes just so it looks really nice. And potatoes definitely need some salt and pepper. Okay, here we go. The Dutch oven now gets placed in the oven, and we're going to bake this, roast this. We're going to roast this at 300 degrees for about 2 hours. I'll be back. The stew 1 hour later, it's still not done. Continue to cook. Ah, the finished beef stew. Look at that. Wow. We're going to thicken it a little bit. First I want to show you just how tender the meat is. The potatoes look good. Carrots are good. They're nice and done. There's a couple of the large pieces. Of course, we need to sample this here. I'm going to show you just what we're talking about here. Basically falls right apart. Show you one more. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. I've got a thickener here, cornstarch and water, and I'm putting a little bit of cornmeal in as well. We're going to thicken this. Oh yeah. Yep, right there. Don't forget to subscribe, right down there. Search the channel, there's tons of steak, beef, vegan recipes, soup, salads, side dishes, holiday, entertaining. The finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. First of all, I mentioned in the last video, it's the feel, the fit, the grip. This is hoe wood. Perfect. Easy to sharpen, holds an edge, nice angle, nice shape. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.